Let's talk about how to change a baby's diaper. I'm going to show you step by step, but over time you'll find your own way too. Start by laying your baby down and gathering your supplies. You'll see that I have everything here on the changing table. Then you'll remove your baby's clothes from the waist down. The next step is to get the clean diaper and hold it up. You want the tabs towards the back like this. Now slide that clean diaper under your baby's bottom. Next, you'll remove the dirty diaper, undo the tabs, and then pull it straight down. Leave it in place like I am here. Now, use your wipes and wipe from front to back. Put those wipes down in the dirty diaper and roll it up. Now you've got the clean diaper ready to go. Pull that up. It'll come to just under your baby's belly button. Now secure it with the tabs like this. You want it snug enough to contain the mess, but not uncomfortable. Make sure that you can fit 1 to 2 fingers between your baby's belly and the diaper. Now you're going to check to make sure those ruffles are out. Double check both sides because this is what prevents blowouts. Now, dress your baby. And then you'll throw away that dirty diaper. Don't forget to wash your hands once you set your baby down safely.